My name is Eric Mooney, and today we're going to walk through a 2022 Sea Ray 280 SLX. And before we walk up, as you can see, this boat's equipped with automatic submersible swim platform, which is nice for if you're anchored out at the beach or have younger kids or elderly people trying to get in off the boat. Just makes it easier because that platform lowers into the water about a foot or so, that we can get up and then get onto the boat. Sea deck on the swim platform in the entryway, and then infinity woven vinyl on the floor. It's a nice sun pad with adjustable seat backs here on the other side. Has a sports tower, and it's actually an automatic raises and lowers electronically. Nice open seating aft. Storage underneath all the seats. Table actually is inserted into this plate and mounts about here for the people sitting here. There's a place for your cooler in that door. And then floor seating as well, or floor storage as well, sorry. Coming up to the helm. It's about a seat and a half width, maybe two seats width. And another separate seat. Vacuum flush head. Dual Simrad displays. Has the upgraded Fusion sound system. So there's sub, amp, multiple speakers throughout the boat. Even speakers on the tower itself. Manual trim tabs on the boat, and with active trim on the outdrive. Coming up to the bow, another table mount forward, lounge seating on each side, and then storage underneath both these seats as well. And then a windlass anchor. This boat's located at the Marina del Isle location. And again, my name is Eric Mooney, so if you have any questions, please reach out to myself or your local SkipperBud's representative.